Welcome back to my channel. This tiny tablet is going viral for hair growth. People are crushing Disprin and mixing it into oil. But does it really grow your hair, or is it a risky trend? Let's uncover the truth behind this viral hair hack, before it's too late. What is this viral hack? Thousands of people are now mixing Disprin, Aspirin, into hair oils and applying it to their scalp. Social media claims it boosts hair growth, stops hair fall, and works in just 5 days. But no one is asking, why Disprin, and what does it actually do? What is Disprin and how does it work? Disprin contains aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, a medicine used for pain relief, fever, and inflammation. It works by blocking certain chemicals that cause swelling and pain in the body. Some believe its anti-inflammatory effect might calm the scalp, improve blood circulation, and indirectly support hair growth. Sounds smart, but wait. The scientific reality. Here's the truth. There is no clinical evidence that aspirin grows hair or thickens it. Dermatologists do not recommend using Disprin on the scalp. Applying acidic medicine like Disprin on your skin can cause redness, itching, dryness, even burns on sensitive scalps. So why is it going viral? Because viral doesn't always mean safe. Why some people see results? Some people say it works. But here's what's really happening. They're massaging oil into their scalp, which boosts circulation. The hair looks shinier temporarily due to oiling. Placebo effect plays a role. We think it's working because we expect it to. But Disprin itself? No proven long-term benefit, only potential irritation. Safe and effective alternatives. Want real results without risks? Here are 3 dermatologist-backed natural solutions. Rosemary oil, proven to improve hair growth as effectively as minoxidil. Amla and hibiscus oil, strengthens roots, prevents breakage. Fenugreek plus Kalonji water spray, nourishes scalp, reduces inflammation. No chemicals, no burning, just results. Final verdict. So, is Disprin a miracle or myth? It's a myth, a risky trend that might do more harm than good. Use ingredients your scalp can trust, and that science actually supports. Let's stop following viral noise. Start following real knowledge. Have you seen this hack before? Or tried it? Drop your experience in the comments. Like this video to support true knowledge. Subscribe for more science-backed hair care remedies. Because your hair deserves facts, not fads. Thank you for watching.